all, as teachers, we generally look into the well-being and physical health of our students, while we overlook our own health.
Everyone underestimates how much stress teachers go through. Sit with your backside against the end of the chair.
How much you are comfortable, you can bend.
You can prevent everything. It's inflammation again.
Extend with support of other hand, bend your wrist.
We thought that this would be the best way to teach you how to prevent these issues from happening.
Hope we find kind and we utilize whatever suggestions you are given and hope we become fitter.